First you will need to make sure you have the app called Downloader. You can just install the Downloader app from your Amazon App Store on Firestick. Once you have Downloader, you will need to enter the app and then type the web address in the address bar and click Go. You will need to wait for the app to download. After the IPTV app has downloaded, choose Install and the app will install. Now that the app has installed, choose Open. Make sure you have an IPTV subscription from us before moving on. Now you want to enter the username you got with your IPTV subscription. Now enter the password you got for your IPTV. Make sure you tick the box that says Remember Me so you do not need to enter the details again. Click on Login and then you will log in after it has downloaded the channels, etc. Once you are logged in, you will want to go to the settings cog at the top of the screen and press OK. Now go into General Settings and make sure you untick the box that says Start on Auto Boot, then click Save Changes. Now this step is optional, but if you want to enable parental control, now go to the parental control section and enter a password in both fields and choose save. You can press back to go back to the main screen, and don't forget to install EPG, which is the TV guide. Once done, you can press back on the remote to get back to main screen, then go inside Live TV.